My name is Begona Vila and I work currently on the James Webb Space Telescope, making sure everything is ready for the normal operations. It is the largest and most complex telescope launched into space up to date. James Webb is going to look back in time and take pictures of the first galaxies and stars in the universe and see how they changed to become the galaxy where we live. It is also able to look at the atmospheres of planets around other stars, exoplanets, and see if those atmospheres look a little bit like the one on the Earth in our continuous search for planets like our own. So I always have a goal of whatever satellite I'm working on, of what is it going to teach us. And that's so inspiring, and I think I can share that enthusiasm with my family and friends, even if they don't know in detail the things that I do on a day-to-day basis. I always love to read, I have always loved that, and I like mystery books about science, not only astrophysics, but any sciences and history that teach me more things. I also like to do yoga and hiking and dancing. I like to meditate. And then I'm always a learner of playing the piano and a learner of languages and other crafts. I think for me it's very important that we look after our body, look after our mind, and that you have some outside interests from your work. I think that helps you in the long run to be better at your job. I think it is true that many people that do science and do this kind of engineering jobs also love the arts, in particular the music. I think it's also part of how we are as humans. We have a scientific mind, but we also have an art mind, and I think that's very important to do. I really like the work that I do, and I think it is very important because it's teaching us things about the universe that we don't know. And I think as humans we are explorers, and this need to learn and to know more is a part of what we are.